Meaning of Ebola fever.
Ebola fever.
Ebola fever.
Ebola fever.
Ebola fever. Ebola fever, also known as Ebola virus disease, EVD, is a highly infectious and often fatal illness caused by the Ebola virus. The disease initially presents with symptoms such as fever, headache, muscle pain, and weakness, followed by vomiting, diarrhea, rash, and sometimes internal and external bleeding. EVD is transmitted through contact with infected bodily fluids and has had devastating outbreaks in Africa. There is no specific treatment for EVD, but supportive care such as fluids and oxygen therapy can help increase the chance of survival.